So what are the pages that your real estate website need? Maybe you are thinking of hiring a website designer to build you a website, or maybe you are thinking of doing it yourself. And the exact pages that you need, knowing the exact pages that you need if you are trying to hire, is going to help you have a clear requirement to your website designer. And the number of pages you need and the type of pages are going to depend on your type of real estate business. If you are an investor who buy houses from homeowners and sell to other homeowners, your website is going to need fewer and more simpler pages than someone who is maybe a real estate agent listing houses for sale. I will give you an example. If you are a real estate investor, you buy houses and you sell to homeowners, your website is going to need at least 5 pages. About us, contact us, how it works, privacy policy, and homepage. But in most cases, you are going to need a terms and conditions page, because if you want to use a platform like Twilio to have virtual phone numbers that you are going to use for your business, maybe to do cold calling or just use in your business, you are going to have terms and conditions pages that have some specific information. And in that case, you are going to need 6 pages. And most of the real estate investors' website I personally built, those are the 6 pages that they need. Homepage, about us, contact us, how it works, privacy policy, and the terms and conditions. But if you are an agent, or even if you are not an agent, but you have many houses that you are listing for sale, then your website is going to need more pages. You are going to need a page where all the property listings are going to be visible, and you are going to need a page, a dynamic page, that is going to display each listing when someone opens. And most real estate business websites that I build for beginners, those are the pages you really need. Homepage, about us, contact us, how it works, privacy policy, and terms and conditions. If you are listing houses for sale, then you need a page for listing all the properties, and also a page, a dynamic page that is going to display the information of any listing that you have. You may need extra pages such as team. If you have team members, maybe you are going to need a page for your team members. If you already have testimonials from home buyers or sellers, then you can have a separate page for testimonials. But these are all things that can come later. If you are a beginner in your business, you are just getting started, you probably don't have all of this. So if you are wondering the type of pages you need for your business, this is it. And I build dozens of real estate websites. So if you are interested, you can reach out to me. I will have a link down below. Reach out to me and we can see if I can build your website for you. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one.